Children, yesterday we started with lesson number 14, the story of the food, and we saw about Venu's family and Rani's family, how things are different in Venu's family and how things are different in Rani's family. We saw that Venu's family help each other and they all eat food together. They spend time together. But in Rani's family, we saw that the male characters or the gents, they eat food first before the ladies, and only ladies do the household work. We saw that in Venu's family the father helps mother in doing work, but in Rani's family only the mother does the work. Then we also studied about our own families. We compared our families with Venu's family and with Rani's family. So today we are going to continue with the same lesson. So all of you open page number 96 with me, and we will start with the question. Who does more work in the house? So in your house, there you can write answer mother. In your friend's house, there also you can write the answer mother, because mother is a person who works most in the house. Now we see that they have asked us a question, that is, the name of some food items are given below. Add some more names to the list. Draw a green around those items that we get from plants. Draw a red around those items that we get from the animals. So what we have to do? We have to draw a green circle around the things that we get from plants are green in color, so the things which we get from plants, we have to circle them with green crayon, and the things which we get from animals, we have to circle them with the red crayon, and we also have to add to the list. So first one is honey. So we have circled honey with red, then circle milk, fish, egg, meat, yogurt and cheese with red, because we get honey, milk, fish, yogurt, egg, meat and cheese from animal. Now circle the remaining with green color, that is, circle turmeric, corn, spinach, potato, tomato, onion, lemon, ajwain, banana, chili, coriander, rice, and wheat with green color. These all food items we get from plants. So the things which we get from plants, you have to circle them with a green crayon, and the things which we get from animals, we have to circle them with a red crayon. The next question is, when you are sick, do you take any medicine? Which we get from plants. What do you take when you? Common medicine plants taken when we get hurt, we use turmeric. When we have a stomachache, mint. When we have cough and cold, we use tulsi. When we have toothache, we use neem and neem products. So, what we learnt is we get food from plants and animals. We get different types of fruits, vegetables, cereals from plants. We get fish, meat, milk, and honey from animals. Now, on this page, they have given us four different baskets. First one is flower, second is leaf, then fruits and any other parts of the plant. So we have to choose the correct basket for each item and draw and match. So first we are going to see flowers. So flower of concha and cauliflower. These are the two flowers which we are going to match in the basket of flowers. The next one is leaves. So curry leaves, spinach. These two will come in the category of leaves. The next is fruit. So jackfruit, mango, amla, banana. These will come in the category of fruits, and the remaining they will go in any other part, that is lotus stem, ginger, gram, beans, mustard, and radish. This will come in this fourth basket. So this is how you have to match the items into different baskets. These are the edible parts of a plant. So flower, first one, cauliflower, broccoli, atrio, stem, rhubarb, asparagus, clogi, leaves, cabbage, lettuce, spinach, roots, carrot, radish, potatoes, sweet potatoes, seed, corn, beans, peas, popcorn, and here it is fruits. So fruits are tomatoes, peppers, cucumber, and pumpkin. So these are the different parts of a plant which we eat. We eat cauliflower, broccoli, artichoke, rhubarb, asparagus, clogi, cabbage, lettuce, spinach, carrot, radish, potatoes, sweet potato, and seeds also. We eat corn, beans, peas, popcorn. Then in fruits we eat tomatoes, pepper, cucumber, and pumpkin. So these are the different parts of a plant which we eat as food. So with this we have completed the lesson. Question answers and hard words will be given in CW.